Hello everyone, this is Olivia. Today I will introduce to you a FAW 12 cubic meters water tank 120 meter dust suppression truck. This truck chassis adopts FAW JK6 cab and the white appearance is simple and atmospheric. Equipped with a 180 horsepower engine of Dachai Euro 3 emission standard. It has strong power and can easily cope with various road conditions. 4,700 mm wheelbase, 10.00 tires. Stable and reliable driving. At the same time, it is also equipped with air conditioning to provide a comfortable operating environment for the driver. The body configuration of the truck is also excellent. The square tank body is 12 cubic meters with a large volume to ensure long-term dust suppression needs. There is installed 120 meters fog cannon. Combined with Yifeng 60 and 90 water pump can reduce dust over a long distance and over a large range. The truck also has multiple functions such as front rush, rear sprinkler, and side spray, which fully meets the dust suppression needs of different sizes. Whether it is urban road dust reduction or construction site dust control, this FAW 12 cubic meters, 120 meters dust suppression truck can do it. If you need to consult this truck, please contact me.